Homemade pepperoni pizza recipe. Ingredients for the dough: 2½ cups, 300 grams, all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 packet, 2 1/4 teaspoons, active dry yeast, 3/4 cup, 180 ml, warm water, 110 degrees 45 degrees C, 1 tablespoon olive oil for the sauce, 1 can, 15 ounces, 400 ounces, crushed tomatoes, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried basil, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. For the toppings: 1 cups, 150 geese, shredded mozzarella cheese, ½ cup of 50 ding, grated Parmesan cheese, 30 ounces and 40, slices of pepperoni optional, red pepper flakes, fresh basil, or other toppings of your choice. Instructions: 1. Make the dough. In a small bowl, combine warm water, sugar, and yeast. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes until frothy. In a large mixing bowl, combine flour and salt. Add the yeast mixture and olive oil. Mix until a dough forms. Knead the dough on a floured surface for 8 to 10 minutes until smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl. Cover with a damp cloth and let it rise in a warm place for 1–2 hours or until doubled in size. 2. Prepare the sauce. In a saucepan, heat olive oil over medium heat. Add minced garlic and sauté for 1–2 minutes until fragrant. Add crushed tomatoes, oregano, basil, salt, and pepper. Simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally until the sauce thickens. Set aside. 3. Assemble the pizza. Preheat your oven to 475 degrees Celsius on 245 degrees Celsius. If you have a pizza stone, place it in the oven to heat up. Punch down the risen dough and roll it out on a floured surface into a 12-inch 30-centimeter circle. Transfer the dough to a pizza pan or parchment paper. Spread a thin layer of the tomato sauce over the dough, leaving a small border around the edges. Sprinkle mozzarella cheese evenly over the sauce, followed by grated Parmesan. Arrange pepperoni slices on top of the cheese. Add any additional toppings if desired. 4. Bake the pizza. Bake in the preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly and slightly browned. Remove from the oven and let it cool for 2–3 minutes. Sprinkle with red pepper flakes or fresh basil if desired. 5. Serve, slice, and serve your homemade pepperoni pizza hot. Enjoy!